Hello guys, if you see this message on your dashboard, don't worry. It says action required, cleaning exhaust filter, continue driving. You should not turn off your engine. The car is making a DPF regeneration and you see this message because you interrupted your two previous regenerations. And I've done the same. The last two times that there was a regeneration, I turned off the engine because I didn't have time to wait, and this is the result. You cannot dismiss this message with any button, so if I interrupt this regeneration again, I may need to go to Opel dealer to make a software mandatory regeneration. And this is not good for the filter. So if you see this message, just wait the car to finish with the regeneration and you can turn off your engine after that. Okay guys, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. If you want to see more Insignia videos, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.